Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a channel on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a channel on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone, and after opening the Telegram, guys, first open the Telegram channel which you want to delete. Over here on your Telegram app, your channel will be over your contacts on Telegram. On this interface, open the channel and you can see there is the demo channel name available for us at the top of the screen. Now in order to proceed to delete your channel, you must be an administrator of that channel, and with that being said, guys, tap on the name of the channel at the top of the screen and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the channel settings option available for us. Tap on the channel settings, and on this interface scroll down at the bottom of the screen where you can see there is the delete channel option available for us. Tap on that delete channel and tap on delete channel. But if you want to delete your channel for all subscribers as well, tap on it and tap on delete channel, and that channel will be deleted on Telegram. And guys, this is how to delete a channel on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.